What's up? Eric MFG here, and it's Christmas time at Aldi's. Let's go. This time I really went overboard. Just look at my table. Look at all these Christmas snacks I got from Aldi's. I had no idea that I got this much. Whatever. Let's get into it. No time talking, wasting. So, let's take a look at what I got. Milk, chocolate, gingerbread hearts. Those look good. Soft gingerbread cookies. More gingerbread cookies. Glazed chocolate. Tiramisu clusters. Pecan, cranberry, and cinnamon holiday bark. More gingerbread cookies. Oh, yes. Mini Ellison gingerbread cookies. More chocolate. I don't even know what the difference is. Whatever. Look at these. These look like the Trader Joe's ones. Oh, I can't wait to get into those. Gingerbread sandwich cookies. We got some holiday favorites. Confectionery collection. Peppermint cookie clusters. Pfeffernuss. Is that how you say it? Cookie butter holiday bark. Gingerbread mini muffins. Oh man. I should have done multiple videos. Dark chocolate marzipan log. Okay. Candy cane sandwich cookies. Fudge covered peppermint creams. Peppermint pretzel stars. Pecan clusters. Cinnamon sugar clusters. And check out this peppermint brownie. Wow. Alright. There's so much stuff here. Let's just get it opened up. Start eating. Alright. Take a look at the table. You can't. There's so much stuff on here. I'll try to do my best to explain everything I'm eating. First, let's try this dark chocolate marzipan log. I probably said it wrong. I don't know what's inside of this. It's kind of minty. A little bit. It's from Germany. It's kind of good though. It also comes in milk chocolate. I like the inside. I'd probably give this a 7 out of 10. I need to know more about it. Next, let's try these peppermint cream sandwich cookies. It's like a JoJo that we just had. Or an Oreo with peppermint cream. That cream has like popping candy in it. That's good. I wonder if it's as good as Trader Joe's. It's pretty solid though for Aldi's. 8 out of 10. I guess we'll move stuff after we eat it. Let's try these gingerbread muffins. Kind of like a mini muffin. See if it's really good or not. Huh. I don't get any gingerbread at all. Just kind of tastes like a little spice. Almost like banana bread, but not. It makes no sense. There's not much to it. There's like 4 more of these in a box. It's just kind of... It's like how the vanilla one tastes. It's kind of plain. Just a hint. A little hint of nutmeg. 6 out of 10. Next, let's try this peppermint brownie. Don't mind the marzipan log on there. Mmm. Check out that brownie. Brownie is really good. Soft and fudgy. I don't really get peppermint brownie on the top. It is minty. I don't really get peppermint though. But that brownie is so good. That's too bad the top wasn't better. I'm gonna go 7 out of 10 on the Bake Shop peppermint brownie. Next, we're gonna try these peppermint cream sandwich cookies. These have a lot of potential. Fudge covered. Sadly, it's no better than the chocolate sandwich cookie. I actually prefer the chocolate sandwich cookie because there's hardly any cream in here. I do like the peppermints on there though. So you can either get these or the fudge covered peppermint sandwich cookies. It's still an 8 out of 10. There's so much. Alright, let's try these soft gingerbread. They're just called soft gingerbread cookies from Benton. They remind me of those ones we got at Trader Joe's. Look at the bottom. It tastes like paper. Yep. 3 out of 10. I'm not even doing that. Come on. Let's try these gingerbread. Mini Elyson gingerbread cookies chocolate. Finest gingerbread wafers. Well, that's what they look like. Right, it's the same thing. The bottom tastes like paper. The only thing better about these, they're smaller. 4 out of 10. That's a miss. I wonder if these are the same thing. Mini Elyson gingerbread cookies, glazed and chocolate. So you got glazed on one side, chocolate on the other. It's the same bottom. Someone probably likes these. I'm probably offending them. Sorry. That's too bad because the gingerbread inside is so good. The glaze is better than chocolate. 4 out of 10 for the chocolate, 5 for the glazed. I could just go through and cut the bottoms off of these. That's a shame. Alright, let's try these real. Let's try the Trader Joe's knockoffs. Look at how much cream is in there. Gingerbread sandwich cookies. The cookie isn't as good. But that cream is amazing. Trader Joe's are a 10 out of 10. These cookies, they're not as soft, and they don't have as much gingerbread flavor. And no sugar on top. But I can't get over this cream. This icing is better. Cream cheese filling, that's why. These are still an 8.5 out of 10. It's the best thing we've had. Moving right along. Protein. Next, let's try some pecan clusters. Ooh, sweet and salty. Milk chocolate and soft vanilla caramel with roasted and salted pecan pieces. I love pecans. And I love these pecan clusters. 9 out of 10. Tiramisu clusters next. Soft, creamy tiramisu caramel with vanilla cookie mounds and dark chocolate. Interesting. That is crunchy. I don't get any coffee. This one kind of reminds me of a Twix, just not as good. 5 out of 10 for these. Too hard to chew and very dry. Now let's try some cookie butter holiday bark. Oh, there's the cookie butter. That cookie butter is good. White chocolate. That's another 9 out of 10. I guess we'll do some peppermint vanilla dip pretzel stars. I'm liking what Aldi's doing. Pretzel's a little stale. Not a lot of peppermint, even though it's coated. I'm only gonna go 6 out of 10 on these. I can't stand that pretzel. Alright, let's try this pecan, cranberry, and cinnamon holiday bark. So much bark. I'm not sure all these flavors go together. My mouth doesn't even know what it's eating. It's a strange combination. Out of the pecans and cranberries, I'm just not sure I like it on white chocolate. It's dusted with a bunch of cinnamon. Oh. Interesting. A delicious holiday treat stuffed with festive flavors. It's all festive. 7 out of 10. Should we do this peppermint? Yep, peppermint cookie clusters now. Look, there's like chocolate chips falling off of that. Soft, creamy caramel with chocolate cookies, dark chocolate, and crushed peppermint. Look at all that caramel. This one's solid. I think I'm gonna go 8 on this. I bet you this would hit with white chocolate. There's so much caramel. 8 out of 10. The last cluster, cinnamon sugar. Soft, creamy caramel and pretzel pieces with cinnamon sugar dusting and white confection drizzle. Alright, Aldi. I guess we're getting multiple pieces here. The pretzels are the weakest part. Look at all that caramel. Even with the stale pretzels, this is still really good. I'm going to go 7.5 out of 10 on this. I love the cinnamon sugar mixed with the caramel. Wow. Just give me that without the pretzel. Alright, I'm getting near the end. Milk chocolate, gingerbread hearts. Heart-shaped gingerbread with an apricot fruit filling and coated with milk chocolate. I've never had gingerbread and apricot. Does look like a heart though. I'm scared. I didn't know apricot was in this. I probably wouldn't have bought it. Two out of 10. Not for me. Gingerbread, the best part about that is the gingerbread, but then it's there's apricot filling inside of that, and then the milk chocolate, nope, does not go together. No, anyway, what'd I say? 3, 2? Skip. You don't need that. That's a shame. Still, we've been into most things. Let's try this Pfeffernuss. Pfeffernuss. They've actually had the Archway ones at Christmas last year. Looks exactly the same. Almost like licorice. These are good. I love the candy coating on this. Basically, it says iced gingerbread cookie. And the icing is like crunchy. But the gingerbread is soft. Nine out of 10. Let's try some of these chocolate collections, the holiday favorites. I wasn't going to eat all of them, but probably guess I won't. It just doesn't tell you which is which. This one, raspberry truffle, or sorbet, sorbet. That's rich, but it's good. Let's try the salted caramel cheesecake next. Wow. It's exactly like it. One of these is a cookie butter. These are solid. Let's try another one. Let's see if we can figure it out. Lemon creme brulee. Yeah. Solid. There's a few more in there, but I mean, these are fabulous. Different flavors. Holiday favorites chocolate collection. I guess you got to rate each one. I don't know, it's a solid box. I'll probably go 8.5 on this, just for the flavors I had. So, definitely will recommend this. These gingerbread sandwich cookies. Definitely these. Pfeffernuss. Cinnamon sugar, peppermint cookie clusters. Cookie butter holiday bar. Pecan clusters. These are good too. Some people might like them more than I did. I gave them a 7. And then candy cane sandwich cookies. And then these are the same thing except they're fudge covered. So that's Aldi's for you. Good job. Aldi's like blew Target out of the water. Aldi's is pretty close to Trader Joe's. Can't go wrong with Aldi. I think Aldi's is cheaper. So, well, we're rolling right along to Christmas. We got more stuff to eat. Come back again. See what else we got.
Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share, bruh.